How to use the Onail SUNX Pro Professional Guide. Unboxing and accessories. Check the lamp itself and the power adapter. 109 LEDs dual wavelength, 365 nanometers plus 405 nanometers. Large curing space, perfect for both hands and feet. Power on and basic operation. Plug in the power adapter. Press the power button. The display and ambient light turn on. The default mode is AI Smart Curing. 75-second cycles. Simply place your hand inside. The AI sensor detects your nails instantly. Move your hand. The light follows. Precision where it matters. 4 preset modes. A button, 30 seconds. For base coat or color gel. B button, 90 seconds. For hard to cure or pigmented gels. F button, 75 seconds. For builder and extension gel. 0 heat spike. T button, 120 seconds. For top coat, glass-like shine. 4 presets. Every gel type, 1 touch away. AI mode and non-AI mode. Press the AI button to enable smart detection. Only the LEDs that detect nails will activate. The light follows your hand. Press the AI button again to switch to non-AI mode. All 109 LEDs turn on for full hand curing. Full power, full coverage, silent mode and Wi-Fi upgrade. Tap the volume button for silent mode. Total focus, 0 distraction. Press the Wi-Fi button for system upgrades. Stay up to date.